want to ask you, we've seen elections throughout this year. Opposition here seems to be getting, trapped in this sort of vicious cycle, this chakravyuh that they cannot seem to get out of. So with Congress, what are the challenges you're witnessing in this election, in fact?
Well, if I talk about Congress, then it had a good hold in Bihar earlier, but then again from several years we have been seeing that Congress is working with Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, and this time it's in the alliance as well, where the chief ministerial candidate is Tejaswi Yadav. But if I talk about the major challenges that Congress is going to face this time and that it needs to conquer so that it could have a hold in Bihar. So number one is it needs to improve its vote share along with the number of seats it's win. So this time it's contesting for 60 seats, and that's why it's very important that Congress could come up with winning at least in double digit. And also if it won in case Mahagathbandhan wins this election and Congress wants that it could have some hold in Bihar and not get marginalized, then it's very important for the party to show some positive note in this election. Also, if I talk about the ongoing situation, then we have seen that Rahul Gandhi has been holding Vote Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, and he had been visiting in several areas. He even received massive support from people of Bihar. So maybe his campaign can also play a key role in this election. But then again, if I talk about the exit poll, then we clearly see that the positive note is for the Nitish Kumar-led NDA government. But then again, Tejaswi Yadav, who is the chief ministerial candidate from the India Alliance, he is clearly stating that the number which has been coming from the exit poll is not at all correct, and that they are going to have a thumping victory in Bihar. And he is continuously saying, even RJD leader Sunil said that this time if there is such thing as being claimed by Rahul Gandhi as the vote chori, then they will be having a situation here as what we saw in Sri Lanka and Nepal, and that's why continuously the opposition is targeting the BJP and NDA-led government in Bihar. And also on the other hand, if we talk about the NDA, then PM Modi in his rallies had been saying that this is the time for people of Bihar, and that there is a big fight against the dynasty politics and good governments over dynasty politics.